Okay, guys. Wait, what? There's a shark in Stump now. Okay, guys. So let's check out the new update. And let's see if cave's flooded. Yes. Yep. Caves will definitely... Yes! Bro, new caves just got better. Alright. Oh, hell nah. No. I don't want to be eaten by a shark.
I want to see the shark.
I don't want to be eaten by a shark.
I'm riding on the shark. Is there a shark?
I don't know.
Where's the shark?
Bro, I'm running out of air. I can breathe again.
Shark! They're riding on the
Shark.
shark!
Wait, the shark? The shark? Okay, I'm coming. Where'd the shark lead to? Where'd the shark lead to?
I'm at the back. Yes! No, just be him! All this time! Can you please let me go? I know how I
Hello?
Yeah, can you get off?
Hello? Caves is flooded. Bro,
You get off! There's a shark!
new caves got better.
Guys, I'm trying to have some time here.
Let me on it! I'm doing it!
I'm trying to have some time here.
Let me on it!
Bro, Matt the Bat is now out of caves. So is that Clark the shark? Clark the shark.
Matt the Bat is not out of
No!
Matt the Bat is still here.
Why are you backshotting it?
Casual game in caves. If you want to see Matt the Bat, come to the...
I don't even know!
Matt.
Go with the... We have to click this one. I already know.
Let me help you!
8 text. 8. Yo, I ain't eat it.
Where's that one shark? Where's the shark?
Who's gonna make up a mini game for this? Who's gonna make up a mini game for this?
I have no idea.
Bro, new caves just got better. Hear me? Where's that shark? That shark better be here. Ah! Dog, the shark.
I want to turn him. Go this way, sir.
Bro, is that Bob the shark? Bob.
Go this way, go down.
So this is Bob the shark. Let me ride Bob the shark. Bob.
This is so hard.
Let me in.
Get him!
Stay with me. Real shark. Wait. Where's that one shark? Bob.
Yeah, whole entire cave's got weird. Guys, let's get her.
Okay. Where's Bob the shark? Because Bob the shark is leaving me behind. Wait! Bob the shark, wait! Bob! Wait! Bob!
I know why they added this. They added this so people would play new caves again.
Bob the shark! You need to wait! Bob! Bob, stay with me!
What do you think
Turn on the shark.
Right the shark.
Bob!
Turn on the shark.
I love sharks, bro.
Let me in, Bob the shark! Hey! Hey, Bob the shark!
Tell him
Stay!
for you to get on.
Ambush. Bro.
A bush.
Friend.
Bob!
I got the
Bob! You need to wait! Bob!
His name should be Shaquille the Shark.
No, his name's
Shaquille the shark, wait! Yay! This is fun.
There's a shark. Oh, I never seen this.
Alright, guys. Like and subscribe on.